everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have a Hobby Lobby haul just like everyone else does on the clearance yarn. So I thought I'd show you what I got. The total of the yarn was $372.45, but I only paid $111.26. That's with tax. So wowzers, big savings. So let's take a look. So the first thing I got was I got two of these Soft and Sleek DK low pill fiber, and it is 478 yards. I paid $1.24 for it, and just find the details for you. Here we go. It is denim. Oh, upside down. In the colorway denim, and it's 100% low pill acrylic. And it is, I think it is a lightweight 30. And I got two of these. And when I went over to the cotton, it was seriously been picked through and there was hardly any. So I got these two colors of the sugar wheel cotton. So I got these two colors only, which is kind of funny because I love pink and green. So this is the first one, sugar wheel cotton in mentee, which is really pretty. And here we go, mentee, and it is 100% cotton and 335 yards, and it's a lightweight 3. And then this one, which is upside down, this one is Pink Canyon. There's Pink Canyon. And it is also 335 yards and 100% cotton. And it is a lightweight 3. Hey, if anybody has any of the green or the pink, let me know. I'd like to get another cake of the green and the pink. I'll buy it from you. Okay. On to the next bag. Then I got two of the Crafter's Secret right there. I got this one, Crafter's Secret Big Idea, and I paid $2.49 for it. And let's find the details on it. Of course, I always put it upside down for you guys. There is the details. There is 810 yards. It's 100% acrylic. It is a 4-weight. And this color, as soon as I turn it around, is coral. So that one's a coral. And then I think this one's a little obvious what it is. This one is a jelly bean, and it is green. Same details. Alright, let's move on. I then was able to get some I Love This Cotton, but only because it was misplaced. So I got some I Love This Cotton. It's really pretty. I got 3 skeins of this, and it's a print, and it is called Sunshiny. There's 153 yards per hank. It's 100% cotton, and it is a 4-weight. So I got 3 of these, and I really love that print. I like that. put that back. And the other yarn in this bag right here. And then I got 7 of these. And this is Yarn Bee Glowing in the colorway Farmer's Market. There's 198 yarns. It is 60% acrylic, 40% polyester. It is a 4-weight, but look at these colors. I really love that. And yes, it is a variegated, but I think if I mix this with a black or a white, it'll make a lovely blanket. And I did get 7 of them. I really like that. So, that is that bag. One moment. And then onto this bag. I did get 14 balls of fur in different colors. Trying to find the other color. There we go. Alright, we got For the Moment in almond. We also got Snuggle Up, and this one's in pink. This one is in almond also. We also got For the Moment in silver. Make sure this one is different. That one's also in silver. And we got Snuggle Up in mink. So, the mink is right here. Here's mink. It is polyester and it is considered a bulky weight. 5, and I think that's 98 yards. So that's for the mink. And then for the Moment, it is also, this one's a bulky weight 6, and it is 62 yards. Now between the two, I got 14 balls of all of them, all added together, because I got lots of them. I like to use these for amigurumis and for trimming hats, and gloves. So then I went over and got quite a bit of hand dyed. I was really happy about that. So gotta move some of this fur. I went over and I got some hand dyed. This is called Cool Watermelon. And I got 2 of these. It's really pretty. Very pretty. And here's the details on this. This is a 1 weight. Even though it's covered up, it's 420 yards. And then the rest of these are 3 weights. Then I got the Flamingos in Flight. I got 6 of the Flamingos in Flight. And here are the details. It's 215 yards. And it is 100% superwash merino. And it is considered a lightweight 3. But here is the color of the Flamingos in Flight. And I got 3 of those. It is very bright. Boy, that looks light, but no. Flamingos in Flight is very bright. More flamingos. Flamingos. Where's the other? Oh. Here we go. Then I got 2 of these. And this is called Rainbow Blossom. It is also a 3 weight. Same details as Flamingo in Flight. Someone undid it, and so it's not quite folded right, but it is also very, very pretty. I just haven't hanged it up yet. But it's also a very pretty one. So I like that one. And keep digging. And then I got 5 of these in the magenta. Same details as the other 3 weights. And there's that one. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, I'm going to put these up. And I got one more. Not bag, just one more yarn. I'll get these put away, and then I will show you the last yarn I got. And this is the last hand-dyed I got. It is called Bright Turquoise. It is also in the 3 weight. And it's called Bright Turquoise. And it is very bright. It's very pretty. So that's what I got from the clearance sale. So I like those. And I then dumped out all the yarn in the floor by accident. I then I then picked up some other yarn from Hobby Lobby that was not on clearance. I picked up I Love This Yarn. It was not on clearance. And this is the color Poolside Siesta. It is a 4-weight. It's 252 yards, 100% acrylic. And I got 2 of these. And I got this one. I Love This Yarn print. And it is called Fruit Salad. It has the same details, 100% acrylic. And this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. And the last one I got is also I Love This Yarn. And this one is called Be Still. And it has the same details. And here's what it looks like. It's very pretty. I happen to be using these 2 in my next Luck of the Draw by Nan's Next Knots. So I really like those. And I got something else. Set those aside. And then I had to get this because like everybody else is getting it. I got the Tea Mug yarn bowl, which is adorable. Absolutely adorable. And when you look inside, there's a tea bag. How cute is that? That is absolutely adorable. I love that. That's cute. And I'm attaching 2 pictures here at the end. I got a frog birdhouse and a frog statue to set outside in my flower garden. Well, the birdhouse will be hung in the tree, but the frog statue goes in my flower garden. So I'll be attaching those here at the end. But I hope you enjoyed seeing this Hobby Lobby haul. And I hope you've enjoyed getting your Hobby Lobby yarn as well. And for those in the States. But in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.